There's a quick tip on how I solved a problem for a struggling reader today during one of my lessons. Let's tune in and see what happens. I have combined Canva's Magic AI and UFLI Foundation's Lesson 37B into a quick story for one of my struggling readers. What I did is I went in and I grabbed the text and I asked Canva Magic AI to create a presentation that was fun. I then actually removed the majority of the text that they gave me and I added a question to this particular page that said, "What do you think is in this box?" And then this is the text directly from the story that my student listened to me first. Then the second time I read it, I didn't include some of the words. And then the third time they read it all on their own. And then we ended with the question, what would you find in your big box? And I got to tell you, he was super excited to do the reading, and this took me less than 5 minutes to make. If you want to learn more about how to create awesome presentations just like this, be sure to join the Tech Hub for Tutors.